Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be playing with the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette again. Yes, I've already done a video using this. I did it in collab with Makeup with Alex Kate, and I reviewed it and I played with it and I really like it. Yeah. But you guys, one of you guys actually asked me to do a look using the Mercury Retrograde and the Rose Quartz palette. So I thought, you know what, let's do that. I don't think I've ever done a video using the Mercury Retrograde palette. I could be wrong, but I don't think I've ever actually, or I might have done one actually. I can't remember though. But yeah, in my last video I actually said that I thought that these two palettes would probably go really well together. So yeah, we are going to be playing with both of the palettes. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing, but yeah, just to let you guys know, this palette, the Mercury Retrograde palette, is actually more like my top 10 favourite palettes. I just think it is phenomenal. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing something like quite pastel. Like I'm feeling like to use this shade from the Mercury Retrograde and using like some of the pinks from this palette. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump straight on into it. So yeah, what I'm gonna go what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna prime my lids to zoom you guys in, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm back. I've quickly just primed my lids and zoomed you guys in. I don't really know what shade to take first. I'm thinking of taking the shade Happiness from the Rose Quartz palette, which is this shade here. Can we just talk about the shades in this palette? I just think it's so pretty. It's actually so pretty. Like the shimmers. I'm just gonna pack this on. I feel like I want like a really pastel kind of, why did I say it like that? Pastel kind of look. I actually love these palettes. I just think they're so pretty. By the way guys, at the minute they're on like 20% off at Boots, so you know, if you're like been eyeing them up, 20% off on Boots. It's a really good deal at the minute. So good, because they're not cheap palettes, they're really not, but they are worth the pennies. So yeah, I'm then going to take the shade Haze from the Mercury Retrograde palette, which is this shade here. I do feel like this palette is more colourful, like there's more colours in here. But yeah, I think both palettes are literally stunning. Oh, we're going full on pastel here, baby. Yeah. My thing with this shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette is like, I kind of just struggle to know what to pair it with in that palette. I don't know why, because there is like a pastel lilac shade, but I just kind of like struggle to know what to put it with for some unknown reason. And it's like I've been wanting to use this shade for ages. I mean, I did do for work. I just popped this shade all over the lid and then just like pop some gems on with it, and that was about it. That's as much as I did. But yeah, it is a really pretty shade. I mean, look at it, it's so vibrant, like it's so vibrant, and it is a really pretty shade. Then I'm going to go back into the Rose Quartz palette and I'm going to take the shade Cherished, which is this shade here. Sorry, I'm literally just not really showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm just going to blend around just the first shade that we put down, the Happiness shade. This is a very light shade, this Cherished shade. Like, it is very light. I did use it in the first look. I did use it. I was here for it. It's very like pastel, like even for me, it like, I am pale, but you can even see on my skin tone, that's how like It's quite like a, I don't want to say vivid, but it is quite vivid, I suppose. Love it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the Haze shade again. I'm going to take a little bit of Momentum, which is this shade here. It's almost like a beigey kind of shade. I'm going to mix these two together, just so then I can kind of like blend out that shade. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to build up these shades like one more time. I'll cut my crease and then we'll come back and we're going to pick a lid shade. Now I don't really know what to use, to be honest with you, but I guess we will just kind of like work out and see. Because I don't know whether to just take a shade from, like what lid shade to take. I mean I might take like two from, like one from each palette, but yeah, we will just see. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, just do my cut crease and that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've literally just cut my crease. I love this combo. I think I'm going to take the shade Self Love. What am I saying? I think I'm going to take the shade Self Love from the Rose Quartz palette, which is this shade here, for the lid shade. I think it's gorgeous. I'm going on properly. What? Okay, I feel like that brush isn't making the shade look good. I'm like, ugh, it looks so pretty. Let me just try a different brush. I still really want to do like the one brand 1 week, but I want to do it with Huda. But yeah, I'm kind of like not posting as many YouTube videos just because I am like doing so much Christmas content. So yeah, I'm like taking a back burner on like my YouTube content in a minute. I might try and pick it up again, like, well, I might try and do like the whole one brand 1 week. I might try and do that again like after Christmas, because I'm just not gonna have the time to do it in December, like, especially because like me and Scott might be moving and stuff like that. But yeah, I kind of just want to take a back burner on YouTube. I'm not gonna be as posting as much. I mean, I'm trying to get my Christmas content done as well, so on my days off, like, I am doing a lot of looks and stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to get looks done ready for Christmas, and yeah, I'm also still trying to film YouTube videos. I'm trying to at least get 2 up a week. So yeah, if you guys do have any like videos you want me to film, please let me know. But yeah, if you want me to do like other looks using these palettes, just let me know. Like I said, I do plan to do, let's look, I do plan to do more one brand 1 week videos, but yeah, that might have to take a back burner for now until next year, when things have quietened down. But yeah, I'm gonna go back into the shade Haze from the Mercury Retrograde palette and just pop a little bit of that on the outer corner. I actually really love this lid shade. Like, I think it is stunning. It's quite crumbly, but it's so pretty. So pretty. Then I'm just gonna go back in with it. It's like one of them marble shades that she does. Oh, it's stunning. Love, 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 love. Okay, for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Supermoon from the Mercury Retrograde palette, which is this shade here. It's quite a crumbly shade. But yeah, I'm just gonna pop that on the inner corner. Oh, look at that, it is stunning. And also on the brow bone as well. Do you see that? Oh, it's literally gorgeous, this shade. Oh, and then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush that I use the Haze shade on again, and I'm just going to like buff that where I put that brow bone shade, just to make it look a little bit less like. So yeah, ooh, this is what we got going on right now. Cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, just do my base, my lashes, everything else off camera, and then I'll be back. And yeah, again, I think I pretty much like use the same shades. I mean, I used Self Love, but not properly on the lid. But I've definitely used Happiness before. But yeah, if you want me to do another look using this palette, I'm thinking of using like the browns and doing like a neutral look. I can totally do that for you guys. But yeah, I wanted to do a look, another quite colourful look, because this is me. Colour is me. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, just do my base, everything off camera, and then I'll be back and we'll just wrap it up. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know. I kind of feel like I look like a sweet, like with my eyes, like a little sweetie. But yeah, I'm not mad, I actually really like it. So yeah, this is the finished look. Everything else that I'm wearing on my face I'll of course link in the description box down below. But yeah, I cannot deal. You know what, I just love Huda Beauty palettes. I love them all. I have nearly all of them. Or like all of her big ones. I don't have all of her small ones because there's so many. But yeah, I literally just love them. I do also have one of her wild palettes, which I actually haven't used yet. So if you guys want me to do like a first impressions using it, I can do that for you guys. But yeah, just let me know. But yeah, this is the finished look. I'm obsessed. If you want me to do another look using the Rose Quartz palette, please just let me know. I really want to continue using it. It's a great palette, and yeah, you know what, I'm just loving this look. It's me, I like it, love it. Yes, that's it for today's video guys. If you did like it, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it would really help me out. Everything else I'm wearing, of course, I'll link in the description box down below as always. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!